here we have a rather unique article. It's from agropages.com, Trait Sequence Limited. So the title of the article is Trait Sequence Secures Significant Pre-Seed Investment to Propel Growth. And the article was written just a few days back, the 19th of the month. So article begins, it says TraitSeq, SEQ, TraitSeq, an agri-biotech company that accelerates the development of agricultural technologies and inputs through the use of their proprietary AI-based platform, has successfully closed a pre-seed equity funding round from a committed group of investors. TraitSeq leverages cutting-edge machine learning and RNA-Seq data to predict complex phenotypic traits, empowering agritech companies to make informed, data-driven decisions. Their platform supports breeders, biotechs, and agrochemical researchers in predicting gene by environment and treatment by environment interactions, ensuring faster and more cost-effective development of future agricultural products. The pre-seed round was led by Deeptech Seed Fund, an early-stage venture capital investor, with participation from the QUBIS Innovation Fund, as well as 5 strategic angel investors. With significant revenue from current customers and grant funding, this investment will accelerate TraitSeq's growth and innovation by expanding the technology development and delivery team. Additionally, it will increase commercial capacity, enabling more commercial pilot projects with customers while strengthening TraitSeq's commercial offering and customer pipeline. Dr. Joshua Colmer, CEO and co-founder of TraitSeq, said, "We are delighted to have successfully raised our pre-seed round and are grateful to TraitSeq's investors for believing in our mission to enhance agricultural productivity and efficiency through our innovative technology. Each investor brings immense strategic value beyond their financial contribution, and we are excited to welcome them on our collaborative journey ahead." Piers Coyle, founder of Deeptech Seed Fund, said, "We are very excited to be backing TraitSeq team. Our first deal arising from a spin-out that used the Deeptech Seed Fund scorecard at their incubator, the excellent ICURE program from Innovate UK. Brona Duggan, Senior Manager to the QUBIS Innovation Fund at Sapphire Capital Partners LLP, said, "We are excited to support TraitSeq as they navigate this important stage of their expansion. Their technology and talented team demonstrate great potential. We are eager to play a part in their success and see the meaningful influence they will have on the agricultural sector." Steve Spreiser, agritech advisor and angel investor, said, "As a plant scientist by training, I've seen firsthand the obstacles the sector faces, from maize farmers in the USA to cocoa farmers in West Africa. I invested in TraitSeq because it puts breeders, biotechs, and agrochemical researchers in the driver's seat, giving them the tools they need to define and target the traits of tomorrow's food systems. In addition to a team with deep technical and commercial knowledge, the pipeline of partners speaks volumes to TraitSeq's capabilities and market readiness. I'm excited to watch TraitSeq empower agritech companies to accelerate the development of new plant varieties and inputs from lab to field to market. TraitSeq's enlarged technical team will drive the development of a state-of-the-art cloud-based platform that empowers agritech companies to make informed, data-driven decisions, with commercial testing anticipated in 2025. The additional commercial capacity will build on TraitSeq's existing commercial traction, further developing long-term relationships with industry leaders. This will ensure TraitSeq's technology reaches its full market potential and will solidify TraitSeq's position as a first mover in the industry." About TraitSeq Limited. TraitSeq was co-founded in 2023 by Dr. Joshua Colmer, Professor Anthony Hall, and Mr. John Bloomer in a spin-out from the Earlham Institute, with Dr. Felicity Knowles joining shortly after as a co-founder, alongside founding employees Dr. Vignesh Dandapani and Dr. Benedict Kumbes. They apply cutting-edge artificial intelligence, AI, to accurately predict complex agricultural traits, accelerating the development of high-yielding and climate-resistant crop varieties, animal breeds, agrochemical and biological inputs, and gene edits that are critical to global food security and sustainable food production. TraitSeq is a low-cost, high-throughput platform technology that uses bespoke machine learning methods to identify biomarkers that are utilized for training trait prediction models in agriculture. TraitSeq's trait prediction models achieve beyond state-of-the-art levels of accuracy and can incorporate environmental variation enabling highly accurate trait performance predictions in the field. End of article. So this article is more or less a press release. It talks about TraitSeq and their success to date, their pre-seed investment. It also mentions one of the 5 angel investors being a doctor himself, and it mentions here so Piers Coyle, the founder of Deeptech Seed Fund, is one of the cornerstone investors, and then Bruno Duggan of QUBIS Innovation Fund, the 2 major investors, sort of the 2 anchor investors, or cornerstone investors, in addition to one of the angel investors, Mr. Steve Spreiser. So hopefully they will be able to scale. Hopefully they'll be able to have a lot of clients onboarded. And then what they've mentioned here at the bottom of the article about how they are low cost and high throughput. Let's hopefully they can find a core competency and maybe double down on those clients and partners that are the most monetizable. It seems like there's a lot of players out there that are using or tapping into what AI could be or potentially is, and since it's right now so nascent, it really comes down to separating the wheat from the chaff and separating the pretenders from the contenders. So there might be startups out there that are able to create a word salad of AI and not really follow through. So hopefully this company is not in that category and is able to truly produce outstanding results and sort of grab the bull by the horns and lead in what would be a blue ocean strategy. It's really about striking that balance between growth and then always staying down to earth when it comes to revenue streams. So best strategy would be to focus on those current MVPs and product market fit, and then continue to expand from there. So looking forward to all of these high-level PhDs on the team to continue to produce great results. And congratulations on their pre-seed investment round with their 2 mentioned investors, 5 angel investors, and looking forward to great news ahead from this company.